Governor Evers and the Republicans on the Joint Finance Committee disagreed on how to financially support the child care industry, so state funding for child care is set to run out in June. It puts not only child care centers at risk, but working families who are already paying record high prices. Tony Farrell with the Oneida County Economic Development said this is something that needs to be taken seriously.
There's a statistic in Wisconsin that we've hit an all-time record for amount of women not in the workforce. That number has dropped below 60%, and that's the first time since 1980 that that number has been that low.
Farrell said the trend and the reason why is clear. Child care has become unaffordable, averaging a cost of $300 a week per child.
They lose money going to work instead of staying home and taking care of their kids.
In turn, limiting financial growth for opportunities such as home ownership or being able to contribute to their own 401k. Farrell said the cost of a truck payment is now what a mortgage used to be in the 80s.
It's really looking bad for Oneida County in general. Since in the last 10 years, we've lost 64% of family licensed child care, so in-home child care.
Leaving only 4 licensed in-home child care providers.
Bigger programs, maybe like a Y or something like that. We've lost 41% of those programs that help with child care, so we're down to 10.
And with those child care subsidies allocated by Governor Evers running out in June of this year, the future of child care is looking uncertain.
So we have about 6 months, and then there's prediction, whether we know if it's true or not, that maybe 50% of all child care in Wisconsin may have to close because the numbers don't add up for the providers to keep their business open.
Farrell said it's a lose-lose for families, child care providers, and area businesses. So finding a formula that works to subsidize child care is vital for the health of our economy.
There's a study that shows by the Child Care Challenge that it's costing Wisconsin's economy about $1.9 billion a year by having such a problem in child care.
Reporting from Rylander, Shauna Johnson, Newswatch 12.